How to add multiple text lines to cells in Excel. Open the Excel. Here I am showing you how you can add multiple text lines in Excel. Adding lines within cell, not adding in another row. Here you can see these are lines in different rows. But don't worry. First, delete these rows. Now I am showing you how easily you can do it. Write something here. After writing, just press Alt plus Enter key, both at the same time. And it take you to next line, not to next row. Continue writing it. After that, just press Enter, and it shows like that, in a sequence, not messed up. This is so customized now. Now if you want to increase the width of cell, just select the text. You will see wrap text at the top. Just click on wrap text. Select the column and drag it towards column. Double-click on one, and it will take its position. Now we have text in multiple lines in same cell in Excel. We don't have to merge two cells, and also we don't have to do any creuset formatting. All you have to do is press Alt plus Enter key for PC and Opt plus Enter for Mac. That is how you can add multiple text lines to cells in Excel. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.